finally, the long wait is over. After more than 2 years, actually, no, not quite 2 years, but February 2015, we started to dig up this place here. After a long argument with my landowner here, Mark Simondak, which is a very nice person here.
Württemberg's success once again demonstrates in today's opening, and I dare to say pays tributes to the Swiss values and the educational system that enabled the 3 young, solid and trustworthy partners and world travelers to succeed here.
I'd like also to thank James Buskowitz, who installed the 1,500 meter solar panels to reduce my Meralco bills. And we are very proud to announce that we have achieved silver in LEED for low energy.
All these top segment brands, all associated with top quality products, taste and good value, and all associated with one founding member, the most humble and most generous CEO, Werner Berger. The love for the Philippines, the fondness for food, and inspired entrepreneurship are 3 magnificent components leading to the celebration of an impressive success.
A big thank and to Mr. Hubert Weber, my production manager, partner, who has spent 2-3 days every week down here in Carmona. What you have seen today is a factory actually up to the latest standards set by the Philippine government and by the Food Processing Association. Also, Mr. Otmar Frey, who was in charge of organizing all this party today. And my last thank goes to all my staff here. I have about 50 employees, senior management and management, which have been with me for 20-30 years.
And as a symbol of recognition, I have the pleasure now, on behalf and in the name of the Swiss Confederation, to hand over a certificate which reads the follows. Certificate of Recognition by the Swiss Embassy in Manila. Presented to Mr. Werner Berger and Württemberg International Corporation.